Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to open Terabox video link without the app. So as you know, they are forcing to the consumer that you have to open, you have to download again and again, right? But I know when I was using Terabox when it was just launched, and you can just view Terabox videos on the web browser and you can just watch it very easily. And the worst thing I like about the Terabox, the ads, they just put hundreds of ads, and it just make me a lot irritated. So I have copied a link here and I will try to open in the incognito a link here, right? And if I just go and paste it and click on hit the enter bar, right, as you can see here, this is a Terabox, you can see on the URL, right? And whenever I just go and try to open it up, it will just start me ask to leave this, and it will take me to Google Play Store to download the application and use it there. Same goes if I just want to download, it will not possible because I have to do it in the Terabox, right? So unfortunately you can't do this because you have to download Terabox no matter what. And I think the reason you're looking for this video because maybe you have got too much ads in the Terabox. So you can use Brave app. Just open the browser. You can open your Terabox in the browser, and Brave stop almost all the ads, so you don't have to watch any ads to open the Terabox link videos. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.